Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. Today I wanted to do a make video on the Harry Potter MGA Make It Mini Honeydukes series. So y'all, I wound up finding the Honeydukes balls in a Walmart in a town about 40 to 45 minutes away from my house. I was super excited to see them there, so I picked up a couple. So I did use the pinhole hack in store. So I wound up getting the chocolate frogs, which I am making here, and the Birdie Bots every flavor beans. So y'all, I did a video making both the chocolate frogs initially and the jelly beans, and somehow I deleted it. Don't ask me how, y'all. I really don't. I had did the voiceover that morning, and when I got ready to load it up to my computer to get it on my computer so I could upload it, the whole thing was gone. I was like, okay, I don't know what I did, but I was so kind of devastated. And then it took my husband to remind me that I could make a new video. But I told him, I said, I don't want to make the jelly beans again. They were so awful to make, and the process was not fun. And he was like, well, don't. Just make the frogs. And a light bulb went off, y'all. I'm a little slow sometimes. But anyway, so I decided he's right. I'm going to redo the video and only make these chocolate frogs. So this version of frog that I am doing is actually clear. And I am making these using the resin, the clear resin that comes in the big old botanical MGA MiniVerse gift set. So I wound up getting that on clearance for $10. And I thought it would be super fun to make some clear of these little some clear frogs for my dollhouse. So when I first made the initial ones, y'all, I used the brown resin that comes with it to make the chocolate ones. I used up what was left from the jelly beans to make me some kind of white hazy looking ones. And then I used some of the mica powder to do some blue and gold ones. So I really enjoyed making those. So for this set, I wanted to make the clear ones. And then I also wanted to do some other ones made with the mica powder. So I am using the red mica powder this time. So for this one, y'all, I decided to do it two different ways. So I am putting mica powder in all of the silicone molds so that I have it all done. But I'm going to do two different sets. So I'm going to do two in the clear resin just so they have a little of that mica powder sheen to it. And then I'm going to do two with some berry resin that I got from, that I had left over in my collection, just so I can have something that's a little bit different for my dollhouse, y'all. But I really do love these chocolate frogs. I think they turned out really fun. And of the two that I got, these were my absolute favorite. As y'all can see, I have made so many, but I've really enjoyed these. Now, I do have to say, y'all can see I do have the Birdie Bots every flavor beans there on the table. Once I got them done, y'all, and I got all of the jelly beans into the box and got the box put together, the box is super cute. It rattles with all of the little jelly beans in there, but I do not recommend the jelly bean as a really good project. There seems to be, the mold is so small that it's very difficult to get the resin in there. It's very difficult to get the mica powder in there. I had mica powder all over my workstation when I did it. So I did not enjoy that process. And the jelly beans, I will not be making again. I made just enough that I could get that box to look appropriately full, and that took me 4 of those silicone molds to make, and that equaled out to be 48 jelly beans total, and I was done. But these chocolate frogs, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I love them. I've had so much fun making these, and since I had the opportunity, because I deleted the other video, I thought it would be super fun to make these with y'all and just do a little bit of a remix to it. So here are the ones that I made with the clear resin. I think they turned out pretty good. I do have one little small thing that I noticed using the different kind of resins. When I used the chocolate resin that came with the actual surprise ball, I had no overlay on the silicone mold. They came out absolutely adorable. Using some of the other resins, some of them give just a little bit of an overlay to where you kind of got to cut off or break off some of the extra resin around the sides, but I still think it turned out super cute. So here's, y'all, my entire little collection of chocolate frogs that I have made since I got this surprise ball. So here are the ones I did today with the pink resin and the red mica powder and the clear resin. Here are the ones I did with the clear resin. I think they're my absolute favorites. And then in this next one, y'all, here are the ones that I made using the blue and gold mica powder. I think they turned out adorable. I wanted to do those to match the box. And here are my chocolate frogs and my albino chocolate frogs, as I'm calling them. Y'all, this turned out really fun. I'm super excited that we got 2 of those chocolate frog boxes with it and 2 of the cards. I highly recommend this one, and I have had so much fun making it. So until next time, y'all, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Thank you for visiting the Curated Dollhouse, and we will be back another day with another video. Bye, y'all.